Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. On today's Variety Spotlight, we're going to be talking about a green beefsteak tomato called Aunt Ruby's German Green. Now when you hear green tomato, you probably immediately think of fried green tomatoes, which is actually a different thing. You can take any unripe tomato, which is still green before it ripens to red or whatever color it's going to be. You can take that, slice it up, batter it, fry it, and you get fried green tomatoes. This particular variety actually is still green when it's fully ripe, so it's totally different. And I'll show you, we'll take a closer look now. So here's the tomato, fully ripe. It's nice and soft, and as you can see, still very green. It's a little tricky to tell when they're ready, but the way you can really tell is they soften up. And they do turn almost slight reddish color in the bottom, but still quite green. And here's what the plant looks like. So here's a green tomato, still unripe, and another one. So definitely looks similar. So you just got to give it a little squeeze test. So the plant itself grows really well. Again, I tried to keep it to a single stem, but did not succeed because it branches off in 4 different directions, which does mean more tomatoes, but it makes the plant a little bit harder to manage, but that's okay. Nothing else to really note about growing. It was one of the first to really take off. It was the biggest transplant. When I planted these all out, it was one of the bigger ones. So it grew really well in the beginning and continued to grow fine. I treated it just the same as all my other tomato varieties. So yeah, no problems there. But the real test is, how does it taste? Let's have a look. So you can see it's going to be a rather meaty tomato. There's not a lot of the seed gel in here, which makes the tomato real juicy. So you're going to have a more firm, meaty bite, which is great. All right, so let's have a taste. Got a nice thick slice here. A little sea salt. Do a nice fat bite. Wow. Dang, that's good. Very acidic, nice tartness, very sweet, rich, almost a slightly fruity taste. It does have that firmness in the middle, kind of, oh, excuse me, kind of meaty. Wow, fantastic homegrown tomato taste, very good. That's a winner. Aunt Ruby's German Green. Pick up some seeds, got these from Baker Creek. Give it a try. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one.